Hey there, salon owners. If you're here, I know you're someone who is serious about taking your salon and your life to the next level. I've got some exciting things to share with you today. If you love the tips and strategies we talk about in this podcast, I've created something that will take your journey to the next level. A weekly email series packed with actionable business tips designed specifically for salon owners. These emails are like your personal coach showing up in your inbox every week with the exact steps you need to level up your business. From tracking metrics that matter most to creating systems that simplify your life, I'll walk you through the strategies that have helped countless salon owners, including me, growing a thriving business. Here's how you subscribe. It's super easy to join. Just head to www.opulentbeautypro.com and sign up for free. That's right, it's free. One tip every week, straight to your inbox, no strings attached. And as we speak of growth, for those of you ready to go all in, let me tell you about the Salon Owner Blueprint program. This is the ultimate roadmap for salon owners looking to scale their business, lead with confidence, and hit those big revenue goals. It's packed with strategies to help you master your finances, grow your team, and attract the dream clients who fuel your vision. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your systems, this program will give you everything you need to thrive. Want to learn more? Visit www.opulentbeautypro.com/blueprint and take the first step towards your next breakthrough. I also want to give a quick shout out to our exclusive podcast subscription. This is where you dive even deeper into the topics we touch on here. As a subscriber, you'll get bonus episodes, behind the scene content, the insider access to my personal strategies for growing a successful salon business. For just $7.99 a month, you'll get unparalleled insights that you can start using immediately to see results. It's like having a business coach in your pocket. So here's what I want you to do. Subscribe to my weekly email list at www.opulentbeautypro.com. Check out the Salon Owner Blueprint program if you are ready to make big moves. And don't forget to subscribe to the Elevate Insider for exclusive game-changing content. Remember, success is in your hands, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I am a salon owner, educator, mindset, and leadership coach that helps salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career that you are absolutely in love with. Join us every week to learn about the small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more. Hello and welcome back to the Elevate podcast. On today's episode, we are going to be chatting all about why hiring for culture is more important than hiring for talent inside of your salon. As a salon owner, the temptation to hire the most talented people is always there, and we feel the desperation to find good stylists all the time. Hiring is the biggest struggle I hear so many salon owners having right now more than ever. The person with the best technical skills, the largest following, and the most impressive portfolio may seem like the perfect fit for your team. But the truth is, when you are not hiring for culture and you're hiring for talent, you may be creating a mess for you and your business. Hiring for culture over talent is what builds a successful, sustainable salon business, and we're going to talk about why. So first and foremost, culture is the foundation for teamwork. A salon is more than just a space to do hair. It is a community. It's a group of individuals who are working together to deliver exceptional experience for the clients. Every single team member working in your business affects every single team member. I'm going to say that again. every single team member working in your business affects every single team member. So when you hire someone based solely off of their client book or their talent, you may miss the bigger picture. When we're looking at hiring for culture, it is super important that you hire off of your core values. If you do not have actionable core values that are utilized in your business every single day, especially when it comes to evaluating or hiring your team members, you need to do this immediately. What I mean by actionable is this something that you can evaluate your team on? So, for example, some salon owners have fun as one of their core values. Well, you can't really measure fun. You can measure teamwork. You can measure collaboration. You can measure professionalism, but you can't really measure fun. Your core values should be the behaviors you want to thrive in your business. If you do not have your core values done, I'm telling you, you need to do this, and you need to base all of your interview questions off of your core values. If you're a salon owner and you're busy and you're like, I just don't have the time to do this right now, I've created a whole section on how to create actionable core values in my Salon Owner's Blueprint, along with interview questions for each core value, because this is one of the most important things needed in business. So it was one of the things that I made sure to add to my program. You need to make sure the people you are hiring can collaborate well with others. You need to make sure they're a good fit with your salon values and your ethos. Talent alone does not ensure good teamwork. You want your team to love coming to work every single day. My team members love coming to work. They all get along. We don't deal with gossip. If somebody is mean or is not vibing, I let them go, no matter how much money they make in my business. They have to be adding to a strong team culture. And this is going to ensure that everyone works together cohesively. I work so hard on creating an environment of support and positivity. My salon is a positive place to be because I am a positive leader and I do not tolerate anything less than. When your team gets along, your salon flourishes. The clients can feel it. It's a more enjoyable client experience. This has to be cultivated and worked on. It does not happen by accident. Client experience is directly tied to culture. Clients choose salons based on more than just the services offer and more than just the pricing. They choose based on the atmosphere and the experience. If your team does not mesh well, or there's an underlying tension at the salon, clients notice. Let me tell you, clients can feel it. A salon that prioritizes culture is one where the staff is happy, engaged, and eager to serve. It makes leading your salon so much easier because my team members want to be there and they don't want to jeopardize their jobs because they love coming to work. And clients can feel the difference when they walk into a welcoming environment. The positive energy translates into loyalty and repeat business, and it's the culture that keeps them coming back. A positive culture also reduces turnover and increases retention. Salon staff turnover can be incredibly costly in both terms of time and money for you as an owner. When you start prioritizing this, you start getting your time back. Hiring for culture ensures you bring in individuals who share your values, your work ethic, and your vision for the salon. When your team feels like they belong, they are more likely to stay long term, and this is going to reduce turnover. And this means less time spent recruiting and training and getting employees up to speed. It takes so much time and effort to train somebody. It's so expensive. So when we focus on culture and we cultivate this in our business, you can focus on more growing the business instead of consistently filling the vacancies. And because cultural fit leads to happier employees, your stylist will be more motivated to stay, grow, and deliver amazing services. We have to remember that talent can be cultivated, but culture is built. Skills can be taught with proper training and support. Talented stylists can master new techniques and develop their craft, but culture isn't something that you can teach overnight. It's something that has to be instilled from the top down and nurtured every single day. And this is with accountability. And this is with core values being instilled in everyday work life. And when you hire for culture, you're ensuring that the individual aligns with the salon's core values and that they're already resonating with the salon's vibe, which means they'll be more receptive to learning new skills and they fit seamlessly into the salon's workflow. It's an easier onboarding for the people that you bring on as well. And this leads to long-term success. It is something that so many salons are striving to do. At the end of the day, your salon success doesn't come from the talent of the individuals you hire. It comes from the team of people who are aligned with your mission, who share your commitment to customer service, and who strive together to create a positive work environment. When you hire for culture, you set up your salon for long-term success. And talented stylists can always improve and grow, but a salon team has a strong cultural alignment and will thrive even in challenging times. A cultural fit leads to happy clients. When your team shares a common goal and works together harmoniously, the energy is contagious. Happy employees make happy clients. I learned this from the Starbucks Experience book. A stylist who feels supported by their teammates and respected by management will naturally pass a positive energy off to their clients. When clients feel good in your salon, they're more likely to return and recommend service to others. If you have not read the Starbucks Experience, it's a book I highly recommend. It's something that has changed my insight on how to run my business, starting with my team members. Building a salon with a culture-first mentality ensures that your business remains adaptable and resilient. When I need to make changes in my business, every salon owner knows how hard this is. So we need to make sure that we have a strong culture, because when we have a strong culture, when we make changes and the industry evolves, we have a supportive culture that will always be our bedrock and will always be willing to change with us because they want to continue in our business. When you prioritize culture, you create a team that can weather any storm, stay motivated, and face change and continue to serve clients at the highest level. To wrap things up today, talent can be cultivated, but culture is the backbone of a thriving salon. When you hire for culture, you're building a team that is passionate. We need to stop hiring out of desperation. We need to stop hiring because of the dollar signs we see behind the people. When we think that someone is a bad fit for our business and we're only looking at dollar signs, that's the first way to tank your business. We need to build a team that is passionate and aligned and eager to deliver the best experience for both clients and their teammates. No more hiring people that are only out for themselves. If you focus on cultural fit, integrity, teamwork, and shared values, your salon will not only attract talented individuals, but will also create a lasting and positive atmosphere with both clients and employees that they love. The best part is a culture-driven salon leads to greater client satisfaction, staff retention, and long-term success. So when you're thinking about your next hire, ask yourself, do they fit into our culture? Because that will be the key to your salon's growth and sustainability. I know when I say if you are somebody who does not have strong core values, or if you're not instilling your core values in your day-to-day, you're not going to understand what culture is. When I first built my salon, I didn't get it. And when you don't create a culture, it is created by accident, which is detrimental to your success. To really understand culture, you really need to have strong core values. I highly recommend, if you are not subscribed to the Elevate Insider, please do so. You are going to get a PDF that will allow you to
measure your current team members to see if they align with your culture. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. Be sure to subscribe and leave us a review. If you have not checked out the Salon Owner's Blueprint yet, please do so. It is literally a library of everything that you need as a salon owner to really take some things off of your plate, and it will help you if you are a newer salon owner trying to figure shit out. Talk to you soon.
Thanks for tuning in to the Elevate podcast. If you loved this episode, it would mean the world to me if you would leave a review on Apple Podcast or wherever you listen. The Elevate podcast is hosted by me, Patricia Nowakowski, and is produced by Opulent Beauty Pro. To receive my free business guides, visit opulentbeautypro.com/free or click the link in the show notes. You can find me on Instagram at Opulent Beauty Pro or at Patricia_Nowakowski_OBS. If you love this show, please consider subscribing, and we will see you next week.